As the crypto market continues to heat up, many traders are looking for ways to get their hands on the next big token. One token that has been getting a lot of attention lately is Gala, which was released as a digital utility token for the blockchain-based gaming platform Gala Games. So without further ado, let's review the Gala Games company, perform Gala price analysis, and make the token price prediction in this particular video. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. For those who are new to this amazing project, you are really missing something big. Let's quickly see what it is, and then we will hop on main. What is Gala? Gala is a new Ethereum-based gaming ecosystem by Eric Schiermeier and John Oswald. This project offers a unique way to play games and earn rewards. The project's native token, Gala cryptocurrency, is still in its early stages, but has already gained much popularity among gamers and crypto enthusiasts. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, Gala is not mined. Instead, one earns it by playing games in the Gala Games ecosystem. It's the play-to-earn model that is used here. The more you play, the more Gala tokens you earn. Gala Games executives stated that cryptocurrency and a play-to-earn system enable them to make free-to-play games profitable while giving players more control with NFT in-game assets. In addition to being a fun and easy way to earn cryptocurrency, Gala also offers an opportunity to invest in the future of the gaming industry. Players can vote on key game development decisions. With the help of blockchain technology, Gala could revolutionize the way we play games and interact with each other. For now, the token is still getting started, but it has great potential to become a major player in the gaming industry. Gala fundamental analysis. Gala is a decentralized gaming ecosystem that runs on the blockchain. The Gala token, the native virtual currency of the Gala network, is used to power all transactions within the ecosystem. Gala has a wide range of games designed to appeal to all types of gamers. The games on the Gala platform are probably fair and transparent, and all transaction data is stored on the blockchain. The Gala token is also used to power the Gala marketplace, which allows gamers to buy and sell in-game items. Being an ERC20 token, Gala can be stored in any ERC20 compatible wallet. The Gala network allows users to buy, sell, or trade assets using the Gala token. Gala offers its users unique digital assets, NFTs. Now, as you knew recently about it, you must be thinking, is Gala a good investment? Will Gala's price rise? So, there is a variety of reasons why Gala may be a good investment. First, the token is still relatively new, so there is potential for price appreciation. Second, the company behind Gala is experienced in both the gaming and blockchain industries. This gives them a unique perspective on how to use blockchain technology to create a more efficient and user-friendly experience. Third, Gala has already partnered with some major names in the gaming industry, which gives it a leg up on its competition. Finally, trends such as the increasing popularity of NFTs and crypto games suggest that there is strong demand for this type of currency. What also matters is that the Gala token has a limited supply of 50 billion tokens, which makes it a good investment. There is potential for the token to increase in value as demand grows. There are currently over 1.3 million Gala game players, and the community is expanding. Gala's team is constantly improving the Gala Games ecosystem and multiplying the number of available Gala games, which makes the Gala token seem like an awesome long-term investment with room for price growth. None of the content on the Changelly blog, including Gala price predictions, is investment advice, nor is it a replacement of advice from a certified financial planner. Gala's price also depends on its Galaverse. So let's have a look at the current state of play in Galaverse. Since 15 February 2022, the Gala crypto price has been falling despite endorsements from the likes of rapper Snoop Dogg and celebrity Paris Hilton. On 12 May, following the depegging of the USD stablecoin and the collapse of the associated Luna cryptocurrency, it fell to a low of $0.049444. Since then, it has made something of a recovery, and by 5 September 2022, it was worth about $0.5025. At that time, there were 6.98 billion Gala in circulation out of a total supply of 35,240,112,493. This gave it a market cap of $350 million, making it the 92nd largest crypto by that metric. In early June 2022, the platform hosted Galaverse, an immersive world experience for each one of its games in Malta. According to the Times of Malta, rappers Snoop Dogg, Ice Cube, E40, and Too Short appeared at the event via a recorded message in which they introduced their new supergroup, Mount Westmore, with the metaverse release of their debut album Bad MFs. As the Gala token was built on the Ethereum network, it heavily relies on the ETH performance, making it quite volatile. Moreover, the token could start facing competition as tensions rise in the gaming or NFT space amid their growing popularity, Invez's data analyst Dan Ashmore told Capital.com. However, he also noted that there could be brighter times ahead for the Gala coin value. Now finally, in what you are waiting for. Gala price predictions. It's now time to take a look at some of the Gala price predictions that were being made on 5 September 2023. It is important to note here that price forecasts, especially for something as potentially volatile as cryptocurrency, are very often wrong. Also, long-term price predictions are often made using an algorithm, which means that they can change at a moment's notice. First, Gov Capital had a Gala price prediction for 2022 that said the token closed the year at $0.558. By 5 September 2023, the site said that GALA could potentially trade at $0.583 before moving to about $1.3312 months after that. On 5 September 2025, it could trade at $2.29 before possibly reaching somewhere between $3.45 and $3.46 a year from then and potentially trading at a fraction of a cent below $4.84 on 5 September 2027. Next, Coinskid made a Gala crypto price prediction that saw the token potentially worth $0.579 in December 2022 before it could reach a possible $0.611 in September next year. A year from then, the site said that GALA could be worth $0.833 before making a GALA price prediction for 2025 that saw it reach $0.119812 months on. By September 2026, the site argued that the token could drop to $0.1068 before potentially closing the year at $0.1264. Meanwhile, Captain O'Coin had a GALA token price prediction which argued it could go on a somewhat bearish run in the near future, dropping to $0.493 in October 2022 before potentially recovering a trade at $0.747 in September 2022. By 2025, the site said Gala could be worth about $0.2094, but there could be a substantial drop by September 2027 when it could be down to $0.1143. The site then went on to make a Gala price prediction for 2030 of $0.5236 before arguing that it could get to $1.05 in 2040. Finally, wallet investors struck a far more bearish note in its Gala price forecast, saying that the token could be in for a rough 12 months, potentially dropping to $0.00394 by September 2023. Remember, you should always carry out your own thorough research before making an investment. Even high market cap cryptocurrencies have proved vulnerable to the current bear markets. Investors should be prepared to make losses and never purchase more than they can afford to lose. Now some common questions must be coming in your head. Let's clear them all. Number 1. Is Gala a good investment? It might be. Gala was on a bullish trend in 2021 and set an all-time high of $0.84 on 26 November. The consensus from price predictions is that this gradual increase will continue. However, predictions are not always right, so you should always do your own research before investing. Number 2. Should I invest in Gala? It depends. Gala Games has seen recent success after the updates to its farming game Townstar and others. To date, Gala Games is working on a total of 5 different games and numerous other NFT ambitions. However, not all blockchain projects succeed and there is a vast list of failed coins. Investors should always invest in cryptocurrencies with caution as their value is highly volatile. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.